AutoDS for Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. AutoDS is an automation tool designed specifically for dropshipping businesses to streamline product sourcing, order fulfillment, and inventory management. If you're running a dropshipping store on platforms like eBay, Shopify, or Wix, AutoDS claims to simplify your daily operations and make your business more efficient. The tool integrates with multiple suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart, automatically syncing product details, prices, and stock levels, so you don't have to manually update your listings. One of its standout features is automatic price and stock monitoring, ensuring that you're always in the loop about changes in supplier availability. This can save you time and prevent situations where a customer orders a product that's out of stock, which can damage your reputation. Additionally, AutoDS automates order fulfillment, reducing the risk of human error and speeding up the process. You can also set custom profit margins to ensure you're always hitting your financial goals. For those who are looking to scale quickly, AutoDS offers bulk importing of products, a feature that's extremely useful when you want to expand your store without manually adding products one by one. The platform also comes with advanced reporting tools that give you insights into your sales, profit margins, and other important metrics, helping you make more data-driven decisions. AutoDS also offers 24/7 customer support, which is essential for dropshippers who need help outside of regular business hours. Now, who is this tool for? It's tailored for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. For beginners, it simplifies the complexities of running a dropshipping business, while more seasoned sellers can use the advanced features to optimize their operations and increase efficiency. However, while AutoDS does a lot of heavy lifting, it's not without its drawbacks. It doesn't support as many suppliers as some other platforms, and the pricing structure can be a bit steep for those just starting out. Additionally, some users have reported occasional syncing issues, so it's essential to stay vigilant and monitor the tool closely. In conclusion, AutoDS can be a game changer for your dropshipping business if used properly, but it's important to weigh its pros and cons before diving in. Make sure it aligns with your goals, and you'll be able to leverage it to simplify and scale your business effectively.